If you want to show or hide notification content in lock screen on the OnePlus 15R, you can open settings on your phone. Then over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to search for notifications and quick settings. And then here below the location selection, we should be able to find hide notification details on lock screen. So if you want to hide the notification content, then you can enable this option. Otherwise, you can turn it off quite easily as well in order to show the content. What you can also do is you can scroll below over here in order to see all app notifications. We can also switch to the alphabetical order. And then over here, if you choose any of these apps, so let's say I'm gonna choose the, let's say the Messages app, then here I can hide notification details for this specific app. So all the content for all notifications in the lock screen will be visible except for this one, of course. And you can go through other apps as well if you want to. So as you can see here, we can hide notification details quite easily as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.